So just to clarify, traditional advanced premium tax credits for households earning between 100 and 400% on the federal part are not going anywhere. This change only affects the enhanced version of those tax credits. The shift could mean a lot more work for you during open enrollment. Your clients will need help understanding what's changing and what's staying covered. So it's important that it is something you will probably emphasize already, but make sure your clients are aware of and are of the more important aspects of this change. So start planning now. Many of your clients are going to need help finding affordable plans that still meet their needs. Some important dates to go over. November 1st is the first day of open enrollment. The last day to enroll for coverage with an effective coverage date of January 1st will be December 15th. Open enrollment ends on January 15th. And February 1st enrollment coverage will need to be enrolled after December 15th, but before January 15th. Member communication is important as ever. With that being the case, we will be sending out renewal letters. So members receive these to the subscribers or the head of the households, usually around September for discontinued plans and throughout the month of October for continuing plans. Brokers, you will have access to these renewal letters in the member portal during open enrollment only. After open enrollment, those letters will not be available in your portal. Binder payments, binder communications are reminders to new members to pay their binder payment and ensure coverage will be in effect by January 1st or the deadline for effectuation, which is February 1st. Ambetter Health has a coordinated communication plan to frequently remind members via text, email, and automated calls that the binder payment is due. The urgency of this message increases with the time to encourage action until receipt of the binder payment or the deadline for payment is reached. So the closer they are to the deadline, the more frequent these messages will come. If they make the payment, then they will not receive these reminders. The member information packets are distributed to new and renewing members whose binder payments or premiums have been paid. These are sent out within approximately 7 days of the receipt of that payment. So they make their payment today. Within a week, they will be sent out their member packet information. Some of the key information included in that member packet information will include their welcome letter with ID cards, call to actions, account setup, bill pay, choosing a PPP instructions, the in-network providers, prescription information, the applicable rewards and discounts that we mentioned, My Health Pays, and the perks, the dependents, as well as referrals. Without further ado, let's get into our 2026 portfolio. But before we get there, let's talk about our provider network highlights. These are the major counties in the Florida region, or the state of Florida, rather. So you have Broward, Hillsborough, Jacksonville, Miami-Dade, Orlando, and Palm Beach. These are some of the major hospital partnerships that Ambetter has. And if you want to find a provider, you can also visit findaprovider.ambetterhealth.com. As I mentioned prior, virtual 24/7 care is available to all members. All Ambetter Health members have access to virtual care services through Teladoc. That is an important component of this message here. They do have access, but it has to be via Teladoc Health. This includes 24/7 access to medical professions via phone or video for non-emergency medical situations. This is an easy way to get fast care for those members in outlying or rural areas, and I want to avoid the long wait lines that can be at physicians' clinics. The Premier Portfolio highlights, these are condition-specific plans designed in Florida. The Ambetter Premium Portfolio is the broadest provider network. It is available in all Ambetter Health counties. With the Premier Portfolio plan, members can visit any in-network provider with no referrals needed. In addition, members of the Premier Portfolio can also buy up adult vision and dental plans, and they can earn My Health Pays rewards to completing various activities. As I mentioned, in Florida, the diabetes condition-specific plan will be offered. This is just a state map coverage of the Premier network, as you can see here, pretty much in all of Florida outside of a few counties. Now, one thing I want to point out here is that it says Florida HMO Portfolio Premier. It says HMO, but it operates like an EPO. It's labeled HMO because providers cannot go out of the market or out of the network rather. They can only go within the Ambetter network. However, there will be no referral needed on any of the Premier portfolio plans. The 2026 HMO Premier plans will offer 3 tiers: bronze, silver, gold. The plan availability will be varied by county as well as price. So for the everyday bronze, as you can see here, we have a deductible amount of 84.50, a max out of pocket of 10,1150. I'm sorry, 10,150 with a coinsurance of 50%. This includes co-pays for PCP, specialist labs, generics, and urgent care. The enhanced diabetes care with silver with $0 drug plans. Members enrolled in these plans have access to $0 copays for preferred insulin and select medications used to manage diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and mental health. With the enhanced diabetes care silver, members can have access to extra benefits to help manage diabetes costs at no extra cost. The enhanced diabetes silver plan includes $0 copays for preferred insulin, $0 copays for medications used to treat diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and mental health. These copays are for select diabetes supplies, so lancelets, glucose test strips, insulin syringes, pen needles, ketone and urine test strips. $0 copays for labs, the routine A1C tests, care management to guide your care and provide support for your health goals. As I mentioned, the new plan this year, the 2 new plans will be Clarity and Thrive Silver. These are going to be the lowest cost silver plans where available.